Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Die Trying. This is my best friend Jesse, and today I'm going to be making him a Christmas gift.
My hand stopped.
What are you doing?
My hand.
I've known Jesse for 25 years, and for about 15 of those, we've been making videos together.
Burn, baby, burn, disco inferno.
It all started with these characters, Gus and Gil. And that's why today I'm going to make him some Gus and Gil stuffed animals.
Oh.
When you're printing out your photos for this project, you're going to want to use a laser jet printer, which I did not have. So I ran over to my local Staples and printed them out there. I grabbed some fabric and started applying the Podge photo transfer. Make sure if you're going to do this, you use the photo transfer Mod Podge, not the regular Mod Podge. I applied a large amount of the Mod Podge onto the face of the photo. Once you have your photo covered with the Mod Podge, place it face down on your fabric and smooth it out with your fingers or a squeegee all the way out to the edges. You have to allow the Mod Podge 24 hours to dry, but after that you can start removing layers of the paper to reveal your image. I used a damp washcloth and made multiple small circular passes on the paper to gently remove layers until the image was revealed.
How's my hair? That's what I thought. It's always good.
Next, I just cut out around my photos and it was time to start sewing. When it came to the sewing, I just placed my image face down on the opposite piece of fabric and sewed the two together and then turned it right side in. I'm not good at sewing at all, so this was the simplest way I could do it. I picked up these little voice recorders on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the video notes where you can find them. I was able to use one of our Christmas songs that we had made as the audio inside these stuffed animals, so when you squeeze them, they play the music.
You're not really a werewolf, are you?
I'm so happy I started doing this channel because it's pushed me to do projects that I never would have done before, like making stuffed animals. And it's so nice to be able to make something for somebody instead of buying them a gift, especially when it's something this dumb. Squeeze his hand. Other hand, maybe? So dumb. And squeeze him somewhere. I don't know where. I don't remember. It's the dumbest present ever.
It's the coolest present.
So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.
Danny.
Bye, see you again, and have a good dream.
Throw up on my lap. You just gotta remember, all times, life is short. Life is precious. You gotta tell your friends you love them. Tell your family you love them, because that could make someone's day.